that's the mix for chicken tikka. So in the bowl I've got olive oil, I've got chili powder, I've got paprika powder, pepper powder, a little bit garam masala, ginger garlic paste, a little bit of colouring, cardamom powder, and here's what I got that is something different, because I myself avoid eating natural yogurt. But here's something that you can add. So Yummy from the Aldi does a version of yogurt that from the soya beans. So that's what I will add today. So in a way, our chicken tikka will be dairy free. So mix that up all together. Spoon, mix it out, form the paste, and I'll take you to the next level. So let's marinate the chicken. Chicken already cut up, nice bit of salt, nice bit of pepper powder, what I like doing is add some cardamom powder while I marinate it, and a nice bit of lemon juice. You can see I've got the colour on my fingers already. Right, that's it. Nice bit of lemon juice. Give the peeps play. Now mix it up. Let it marinate for a couple of minutes. I'll take you to the next stage. Now the paste that we've done, we'll mix it up with the chicken. Okay, all that paste goes in, and nicely mix it up together. Make sure you get it, give it a good stir so that each bit are nicely marinated, and I'll take you to the next stage.